Gusto mo bang manalo ng second-hand but good as new na Suzuki Raider F1 150 with complete papers plus brand new Evo helmet? Join na sa Tres Marias raffle draw. Sa halagang 250 pesos na raffle ticket, may chance ka ng manalo ng iba't ibang papremyo. Para sa ating first draw, 2,500 pesos cash. Sa ating second draw, 2,000 pesos cash. Para sa ating third draw, 1,000 pesos cash. Para sa ating fourth draw, 500 pesos cash. At sa ating fifth draw, 250 pesos cash. At hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Sa ating sixth draw, may libreng refill ng gasol. Sa ating seventh draw, 1 kavan po ng bigas. Sa ating eighth draw, half kavan ng bigas. Sa ating ninth draw, 500 pesos worth of groceries. At syempre, ang pinakahihintay ng lahat, ang ating final draw or 10th draw, mapapanalunan ang second hand but good as new na Suzuki Raider F1 150. May complete papers at may kasama pang brand new na Evo helmet. So what are you waiting for? Get your tickets now kasi limited lang po ang ating tickets na i-release. To join the Tres Marias raffle draw, please chat Gia Waclin Bumatay on Facebook. Ilalagay ko na lang po yung link ng kanyang Facebook account sa comment section. For transparency, iraraffle po natin ang inyong mga tickets via Facebook Live. So stay tuned. Ito po ang actual video ng Suzuki Raider F1 150 plus brand new helmet na inyong mapapanalunan. With complete papers na po ito. Take note guys, this is a second hand but good as new. Limited raffle tickets lang po ang ating i-release. Kaya as early as now, mag-secure na po kayo ng inyong raffle tickets. See you on our Facebook Live!